Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my easy and delicious New York strip steak and baked potatoes. And if you haven't had my New York strip steak and my baked potatoes, you better slap yourself. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need New York strip steak. You will need baked potatoes. You will need parsley. You will need garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, chopped onions, Lawry's seasoning salt, and butter. And when I get my strip steaks in my pan, I'll be right back to show you how to cook them. We're back, and now I'm going to show you how to cook these New York strip steaks. You cook them on a medium heat for 2 minutes on each side. Okay? I have my chopped onions in here. And you just let them cook for 2 minutes on each side. And when I flip them over, I'll be right back to show you how they look. They need to be golden brown. I'm back, and now I've flipped my steaks over. And you see how golden brown they look with the nice marble on it. It looks so good, don't it, y'all? My nice caramelized onions. Oh, wow. It even smells so good. So I'm going to let it cook on medium heat for 2 more minutes on this side, on this other side here. And it's going to be a total of 4 minutes cooked on top of the stove. And then I'm going to take them from on top of the stove and put them in my oven, and put the oven on 375 degrees. And I'm going to cook these in the oven for 4 minutes on each side. And you will have the perfect steak. And now I'm about to show you how you're going to do your baked potatoes, but this time we're going to do them in the microwave. What? The microwave? Yes, the microwave. And we're going to take these potatoes. I already put oil over them and already put seasoned salt on them. And I did poke holes in them that way so the air could escape. But we're going to cook these potatoes in the microwave. And when they're done, I will show you the finished product of these easy and delicious baked potatoes. I'm back. Now I'm going to show you that I cook these medium potatoes in my microwave for 10 minutes. Okay? If you have a 900 watt microwave, cook them in your microwave for 10 minutes. If you have a 1000 watt or 1100 watt microwave, they'll be done in 7 minutes. It all depends on how powerful your microwave is. But these was cooked for 10 minutes. I'm about to show you how tender they came out. So you want to take your knife and you want to open them up like that. You want to open them up just like that. They're real hot, y'all. So be careful, don't burn your hand. Open them up just like that. Okay? You want to get your fork. You want to try to get them out. Get them out the skin like that. They're real tender, y'all. Real tender. See that? See that? And when I come back, I'm going to show you the finished product of my New York strip steaks and these microwave baked potatoes. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious New York strip steak and delicious microwave baked potatoes. Look at it, y'all. It looks delicious. It smells delicious. And I bet it tastes good too. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call.